Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the sometimes confusing, often misunderstood, but always important world of insurance. And let's be honest, insurance isn't exactly the most exciting topic to talk about. It's right up there with flossing and waiting in line at the DMV. But it's something we all need, and it's important to separate fact from fiction. We've all heard those insurance myths, those little nuggets of misinformation that get passed around like a plate of questionable potato salad at a picnic. You know, things like red cars cost more to insure, or if a meteor hits your house, you're out of luck. Okay, maybe that last one is true, but you get the point. So get ready to learn something new, debunk some myths, and maybe even have a few laughs along the way. Let's set the record straight on insurance. You know, a lot of young people think life insurance is something you only need when you're older. Kind of like denture adhesive or a good pair of support socks. But that's just not true. Life insurance is about protecting the people you love, no matter your age. Think about it. If you have a family, a mortgage, or even just a pet goldfish that depends on you, life insurance can provide a financial safety net if the unexpected happens. Plus, here's a little secret. The younger and healthier you are when you get life insurance, the lower your premiums will be. It's like getting a discount for being awesome. So don't wait until you're older and wiser to think about life insurance. Get a head start and give yourself and your loved ones peace of mind. Okay, let's talk health insurance. We all know it's important, but it can also be a bit of a head scratcher. It's easy to assume that once you have health insurance, you're covered for everything, like a magical shield that protects you from all medical bills. But unfortunately, it's not always that simple. Health insurance policies can be tricky, with terms like deductibles, co-pays, and out-of-pocket maximums. It's like trying to understand the instructions for assembling furniture from a Swedish retailer. Possible, but likely to leave you with a few extra screws and a mild headache. The truth is, health insurance usually covers a significant portion of your medical expenses, but there are often costs that you'll be responsible for. That's why it's super important to read your policy carefully, ask questions, and understand exactly what's covered and what's not. Don't be afraid to channel your inner detective and get to the bottom of it. Okay, let's talk cars. Specifically, the myth that red cars cost more to insure. For years, people have believed that a car's color can affect your insurance premiums. Like somehow, driving a bright red car makes you a more reckless driver. But guess what? That's about as true as saying that unicorns are real and they love to eat pizza. The truth is, insurance companies couldn't care less if your car is painted candy apple red, sunshine yellow, or even polka dotted. What they do care about are things like the make and model of your car, its safety features, and your driving history. So, if you've been eyeing that sporty red convertible, don't let the insurance myth stop you. Just be prepared to pay a little more if it's a gas-guzzling speed demon. Home is where the heart is, and it's also where we keep a lot of valuable stuff. That's why having home insurance is so important. But here's the thing. Home insurance isn't a magical force field that protects your home from every possible disaster. It's more like a really good friend who's there for you in most situations, but might not be able to bail you out of every jam. For example, standard home insurance policies typically don't cover damage from floods, earthquakes, or infestations of giant radioactive ants. Okay, maybe I made that last one up, but you get the idea. The point is, it's important to understand the limits of your coverage and consider additional policies for specific risks, like flood insurance if you live in a flood-prone area. Because when it comes to protecting your home, it's better to be safe than sorry. Let's talk about life insurance again, because it's important. One of the biggest misconceptions about life insurance is that it's too expensive. People often picture life insurance as this big, scary expense that eats up their entire budget. Like that pricey gym membership you never use but keep telling yourself you will. But the truth is, life insurance can be surprisingly affordable, especially if you're young and healthy. There are so many different types of life insurance policies available, with varying levels of coverage and premiums to fit every budget. Think of it like shopping for shoes. You wouldn't buy the first pair you see without trying them on and comparing prices, right? The same goes for life insurance. It's important to shop around, compare quotes from different companies, and find a plan that meets your needs and fits your budget. Don't let the fear of high costs prevent you from getting the protection you and your loved ones deserve. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our little journey into the world of insurance myths. Remember, knowledge is power, And understanding your insurance needs is essential for protecting yourself and your loved ones. We had some fun today, but on a serious note, insurance is one of those things that can make a huge difference in your life when you need it most. So be informed, ask questions, and don't be afraid to shop around for the best coverage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative and hopefully entertaining content.